Last time in Cosmic Chronicles, we embarked on a truly epic journey. We journeyed to the very edge of the observable universe, pondered the Big Bang, and understood our place within the vast, expanding cosmos. It was a humbling, yet empowering perspective. Now, it's time to zoom back in. Not to our planet, but to our immediate cosmic surroundings, the celestial family we call home. Beyond the endless galaxies and distant nebulae lies a familiar, yet astonishingly diverse, neighborhood. A place filled with scorching deserts, frozen giants, and swirling storms the size of continents. This is the story of our solar system, a collection of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, all dancing in gravitational harmony around our very own star, the Sun. In our introduction to cosmology, we learned about the immense scale of the universe. We touched upon how our Sun is just one star in the Milky Way, and our galaxy is just one among billions. But within that grand design, our solar system holds a special significance. It's where life as we know it has thrived. Understanding our solar system isn't just about memorizing planetary names. It's about appreciating the incredible forces at play: gravity, radiation, geological activity that have sculpted these diverse worlds. It's about seeing Earth not in isolation, but as one unique member of a fascinating celestial family. So, buckle up as we embark on a guided tour. At the heart of our solar system, holding everything together with its immense gravitational pull, is our Sun, a relatively average yellow dwarf star. Yet it is the engine that powers all life on Earth. Its sheer size is difficult to comprehend. You could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. The Sun is a colossal fusion reactor, converting hydrogen into helium at its core, releasing an astonishing amount of energy as light and heat. This energy warms our planet, drives our weather systems, and is the ultimate source of nearly all life on Earth. Without the Sun, our solar system would be a lifeless, frozen void. Its powerful solar winds also constantly stream outwards, influencing everything from planetary atmospheres to geomagnetic storms. It is truly the benevolent giant of our cosmic neighborhood. Moving outwards from the Sun, we first encounter the inner, rocky planets, sometimes called the terrestrial planets, due to their solid, rocky surfaces. First up is Mercury, the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. It's a world of extremes, scorching hot during the day, cold enough to freeze carbon dioxide at night. Its heavily cratered surface resembles our moon, a testament to its ancient, geologically inactive past. Next, Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size. Venus is anything but hospitable. It's shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere of carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that makes it the hottest planet in our solar system, capable of melting lead. Its surface is scarred by volcanoes and vast plains, hidden beneath perpetual clouds. Then, of course, there's Earth, our home. Unique in the solar system, Earth boasts liquid water on its surface, a protective atmosphere, and a dynamic geological system that supports a vibrant, diverse biosphere. It's the only known celestial body teeming with life, a truly remarkable oasis in the cosmos. Its tilt gives us seasons, its magnetic field protects us from solar radiation, and its large moon stabilizes its axial tilt, aiding a stable climate. And finally, Mars, the red planet. With its iconic rusty hue from iron oxide, Mars has captivated humanity for centuries. It features polar ice caps, vast canyons, and ancient riverbeds, hinting at a wetter, warmer past. NASA's rovers continue to explore its surface, searching for signs of past or present microbial life, making Mars a prime target for future human exploration. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a region teeming with millions of rocky remnants from the early solar system. Past this belt, we enter the realm of the outer planets, the gas giants, colossal worlds primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. First, the undisputed king, Jupiter. The largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter is so massive that it could contain all the other planets combined. Its iconic Great Red Spot is a persistent storm larger than Earth, raging for centuries. Jupiter also boasts a spectacular system of moons, including the four Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, each a world in its own right, with Europa being a prime candidate for subsurface oceans and potential life. Next, the magnificent Saturn, instantly recognizable by its dazzling system of rings. Composed of billions of ice particles ranging from dust grains to mountains, these rings are an astronomical marvel. Saturn also has numerous moons, including Titan, which is larger than Mercury and possesses a dense atmosphere and liquid methane lakes on its surface, making it one of the most intriguing places for astrobiological study. Further out, we encounter the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is unique for its extreme axial tilt, essentially orbiting the Sun on its side, perhaps due to an ancient collision. Neptune, the outermost major planet, is a deep blue world with powerful winds and its own faint ring system. Both are mysterious, frigid worlds, still holding many secrets due to their immense distance from Earth. Our solar system isn't just about the 8 major planets. It's a dynamic ecosystem filled with a fascinating array of other celestial bodies. Dwarf planets like Pluto, Ceres, and Eris are celestial bodies large enough to be rounded by their own gravity, but have cleared their orbital path of other debris. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is now understood as a large member of the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune filled with icy objects. Moons are abundant and incredibly diverse. Beyond our own moon and Jupiter's Galilean satellites, there's Triton, Neptune's largest moon, which orbits backward, suggesting it was captured from the Kuiper Belt. There's Enceladus, a moon of Saturn that sprays geysers of water ice, indicating a subsurface ocean. These moons are often as fascinating as the planets themselves. And then we have the countless asteroids, rocky bodies predominantly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, remnants from the early solar system that never coalesced into a planet. And finally, the beautiful, enigmatic comets, icy bodies that originate from the distant Kuiper Belt or the even more distant Oort cloud. As they approach the Sun, their ice vaporizes, creating spectacular tails that can stretch for millions of miles. From the fiery heart of the Sun to the frigid reaches of the Kuiper Belt, our solar system is a testament to the diverse and powerful forces that shaped our cosmic home. Each planet, each moon, each tiny asteroid tells a part of the grand story of formation and evolution. Understanding this neighborhood not only deepens our appreciation for Earth's delicate balance, but also fuels our imagination about the possibilities of life beyond our planet. It provides the essential context for everything we'll explore in the Cosmic Chronicles series. Which planet or moon in our solar system do you find most intriguing and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Our cosmic journey continues. In our next episode, we'll move beyond our neighborhood to explore the incredible variety of L1.3 stars, birth, life, and death of celestial giants. To ensure you don't miss any part of this captivating exploration, subscribe to the Knowledge Compass and hit the notification bell. Share this video with anyone who loves to look up at the night sky. Thank you for navigating the cosmos with us.